Welcome to Visual Design for UI and UX Beginners, Principles, Psychology, and Practice. In this course, you'll master visual design principles, understand the psychology behind effective interfaces, and learn how to apply these concepts to real-world UI and UX projects. Take a moment and think about the apps and websites you use every day. Some instantly feel intuitive and enjoyable. Others feel cluttered, confusing, or simply forgettable. But have you ever wondered why? Why does Airbnb feel effortless to use? How does Amazon guide you through millions of products? Why do some interfaces immediately capture your attention, while others struggle to keep you engaged? The answer lies in visual design. And that's exactly what you'll explore in this course. So, what exactly is visual design? Visual design is the practice of using colors, typography, images, spacing, and layouts to communicate information effectively and create engaging user experiences. But it's more than just making things look beautiful. Visual design helps users understand information quickly, guides their attention, influences emotions, and creates memorable interactions. In short, visual design is where creativity meets usability. Why should you learn visual design? Because in today's digital world, users form opinions within seconds. A well-designed interface can improve usability, build trust and credibility, strengthen brand identity, increase engagement and customer satisfaction, and influence user behavior and decision-making. Whether you're designing a mobile app, website, dashboard, or digital product, visual design skills are essential for creating experiences users love. Once you develop strong visual design skills, exciting career opportunities open up. Visual design provides a strong foundation and serves as a stepping stone to a wide range of design and development roles. You could become a UI designer, UX designer, product designer, visual designer, interaction designer, design system designer, and front-end developer with UI expertise. These roles combine creativity, psychology, and technology to create impactful digital experiences. While this course focuses on visual design, the skills gained here form an essential foundation for exploring these exciting career paths. The demand for designers who can create intuitive and visually engaging digital experiences continues to grow. Companies across industries, including technology, e-commerce, healthcare, finance, education, and entertainment, are looking for professionals who can design user-centered interfaces, create consistent visual systems, improve usability and accessibility, build strong brand experiences, and translate business goals into engaging digital products. Visual design isn't just a creative skill, it's a valuable career asset that can open doors across multiple industries. This course is perfect if you want to learn the fundamentals of visual design, understand how users perceive and interact with interfaces, build stronger UI and UX skills, create visually appealing digital products, and explore modern design tools and workflows. This course is designed for aspiring UI and UX designers, product designers, front-end developers, graphic designers transitioning to UI design, students interested in digital design, professionals looking to upskill, and anyone passionate about creating better user experiences. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional, this course will help you strengthen your visual design skills. Do you need prior design experience? Not at all. There are no strict prerequisites for this course. A basic understanding of digital products and an interest in design are enough to get started. We'll guide you through every concept with explanations, examples, case studies, and guided activities. All you need is curiosity, creativity, and a willingness to learn. Here's what you'll be learning throughout this course. We'll begin with foundations of visual design, where you'll explore essential principles such as balance, contrast, emphasis, movement, rhythm, unity, and proximity, and learn how they shape effective user interfaces. Next, we'll dive into Gestalt visual design principles and understand how people naturally perceive and organize visual information. You'll explore concepts like proximity, similarity, continuity, closure, figure, and ground and symmetry. To see these principles in action, we'll examine a real-world case study on Airbnb, exploring the challenges it faced, the design solutions implemented, and the improvements achieved. We'll then explore visual design elements and principles, covering color theory, typography, images, icons, shapes, texture, and space. You'll also discover modern AI-powered tools that help designers create and experiment more efficiently. Finally, we'll look at the role of visuals and design principles in UI, learning how visuals communicate brand identity, influence user behavior, and support better user experiences through proven design laws and principles. By the end of this course, you'll be able to apply fundamental visual design principles such as balance, contrast, emphasis, movement, rhythm, unity, and proximity to create visually appealing and effective user interfaces. Use Gestalt visual design principles to organize information, improve usability, and design interfaces that align with the way users naturally perceive visual elements. Analyze real-world design challenges and evaluate how Gestalt principles can be applied to enhance user experiences, using examples such as Airbnb. Select and apply key visual design elements, including color, typography, images, icons, shapes, texture, and space, to create consistent and engaging visual systems. Use color theory, typography principles, and modern design tools to create interfaces that are aesthetically pleasing, accessible, and user-friendly. Leverage visuals to communicate brand identity, convey emotions, and create compelling stories that strengthen the overall user experience. Apply established design laws and principles, such as Hicks' Law, Fitz's Law, Jacobs' Law, and Miller's Law, to design intuitive, efficient, and user-centered digital experiences. By the end of this journey, you won't just recognize good design, you'll understand the thinking behind it. You'll know how to combine creativity with usability, aesthetics with functionality, and psychology with design principles to create experiences that users love. So, are you ready to see design through the eyes of your users? Are you ready to transform ideas into meaningful digital experiences? Let's begin this exciting journey into the world of visual design principles for UI design. Happy learning!